Alright everyone, so it's our last time using this modified strainer. I cleaned it as best as I could, but it's on its last leg. It's on its last leg. I don't think I'll be able to clean it. It is cardboard, by the way, and I'm washing it out in water. Cardboard water breaks down, you know. But today we are going to be doing a lot more elegant colors with one twist. I want to reuse that Sherwin-Williams Center Stage lime green. The rest of the colors though, so the background is going to be that gray background that I mixed for, I believe, the parrot video I did. So we'll have the gray background for this one. And then since I didn't use hazel in the last one, I want to use hazel in this one. This is Sherwin-Williams hazel. Then I have LUKAS CRYL titanium white, SOHO Mars black, SOHO olive green, SOHO silver, the CRAFTSMART gold, muted luster gray, muted pearl, what's ever left of my LUKAS CRYL silver bronze, which I need to finish off and remake, and then of course Center Stage. So I'm taking a little node from the 80s into the early 90s with this vibrant color, especially the color schemes and a lot of the interior design, when it was very light pastel and then a vibrant color that they would introduce. And they rebrought that same kind of concept back in the early 2000s, but it was really big in the late 80s and early 90s, so I'm going to jump ahead another decade, and we are going into late 80s, early 90s. I'm just going to fill up these 4 cups randomly between between 9 colors, and then I'm thinking only 2 cups, maybe even only 1 cup will get this center stage, because I want it just to be lacing. I want it just to be a vein going through here and there. I don't want this to overtake, so I'm afraid to use too much of it. But other than that, we're just going to do the time lapse after I get the base coat down, and I will see you guys at the end. And here we have it. Okay, so very early 90s, 80s modern kind of vibe going on. I wanted it to be very soft, very pastel, with a kick of color, and it's funny, I'm looking at the camera, and the camera's not even picking up how vivid this green is, and all the gold, there's a lot of gold laced in here. So when this dries, that gold is going to, as you know, pop. It's going to be a statement, and I'll show you on this one. So that gold, as you can see, it when it laces in, it pops. It's not a subtle gold. Oh, like in here too. See if I can. Yeah, like right in there. So I had played around with this one too, so I kind of swirled this one out because I wanted it to feel a little bit more like air. But I wanted to show you guys that muted pearl, if I can catch it in the light. The gold in here. It's a little bit more subtle in this one since it's dried, but it's still a nice vibrant gold. Here's more of that pearl mixed with the aqua. Oh, this one. So I forgot that this was pearl as well. But you can see how it just picks up on the light as I'm moving it. If there was ever a paint that would finish with a pearl finish, it would be this Meowed, and that's why I use it quite often. I absolutely love it. I'm going to be sad when I run out. Which brings me to a point. I do have the sponsor giveaway going on all this month. At the end of this month, I will be doing the drawings for that, which is doing custom paintings for the winners. And pretty much sponsors, you guys have helped me continue on getting these materials, especially the stuff like Meowed, like things like that, just to help keep me going so I can continue to create art for you guys. So that's why I'm like, if you guys have anything that you guys want to learn, if there's anything that you guys want a tutorial for or anything, let me know. I will do it. I will make that tutorial for you. I have another video coming up as well talking about my new scheduling, and I'll go over everything, the days that I'm going to be doing paint pouring and drawing videos and project days and free-for-all days and everything like that. So stay tuned for that. I'll probably be putting that out probably Monday. So yeah, stay tuned. And back to this guy. Which I had to do the swirl, and like I was looking at it and I was like, it's fun, but it's not like, it's missing something for me. And so I just grabbed a paintbrush at the end of it and let it swirl around. And of course it's going to change, it's already changing as this is settling, and all these gray cells are popping up, which I'm kind of excited for. Here, let me bring it up to you guys. There we go. So you can see it just a little bit popping through, and it's probably going to continue to pop through as it sits. Some really cool black and white cells going on in the center area. I was hoping like, oh there we go, you can see a lot more of the gold lightly mixed in there. There's probably even some of that LUKAS CRYL silver bronze mixed in there. But there's a lot of metallics inside this piece, as well as non-metallics like the white and the black, and yeah, the hazel, which the hazel kind of just disappeared, didn't it? I kept adding that and it just, nope, it didn't want to be a color. And I knew adding just a little bit of that center stage, it was going to do like its name entailed and be center stage. Look at that. Oh, I can't wait to photograph this. And if you guys stay tuned at the end of the video, I usually try to incorporate a photograph of all the paintings so you guys can see a little bit more of the true color once it's photographed. Try to put that up there for you guys, but oh, that's really cool looking too. Anyway, but yeah, let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to hit like, share, comment, and hopefully you guys enjoy this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Alright, bye!